Today's designs are steampunk themed, and joining me this week is Girly Nails 66, LJ Natural Nails, Never Naked Nails Nail Art, and this is my design. Now I'll show you how I created it. Let's get started. Today I'll be using One Coat Black by Hollow Taco. I'll be using this Machine Born Pretty stamping plate. And for my stamping polish, I'll be using Hit the Bottle Espresso Martini. I'm going to put on some base coat. It's good to hide some imperfections on your nails, and it also helps your manicure last longer by helping the polish adhere to your nails as well. It can also help with, staining of your nails, help not stain so much from the polish. Now I'm going to put on One Coat Black. I think I might just use one coat this time. Sometimes I put on 2 coats, even though it doesn't really need it. Now I'll just touch up the edges a little bit. There. So I'm just going to clean up this a little bit and get rid of some of the bits that I don't want. There we go. Now I'm going to put some of the Maniology smudge-free base coat on top of my polish, and this makes the stamping palette, the stamped image, I can't talk, stick to my nails better. So if you're a beginner, definitely this is the way to go if you're having trouble getting the stamper off of the stamped image off of the stamper. And I just do it because I like to set up all my stampers first with the stamped images, so they're quite dry, so it wouldn't stick to my nails. Okay, it's been a couple minutes, so I should be able to stamp on the nails now. I'm just going to take a little cleanup brush and clean up around the edges. It's not too much. Now I'm using a smudge-free top coat. This one's by Maniology. I really like these two products, the sticky base coat and the smudge-free top coat, because there's nothing worse than putting your regular long-lasting top coat on your nails and having it smudge your stamping. So this is so nice that brands have come out with these smudge-free top coats for stamping. Now I just put my long-lasting top coat over the top of all of my nails, and that will just give it a nice long-lasting shine. Helps against chipping. Here are my finished nails. I really love this color stamping polish over the black. I think it looks really great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.